Gautam Adani's $2.5 billion share sale was fully subscribed on Tuesday as investors pumped funds into his firm despite scathing reports by Hindenburg that plummeted stock in the Indian billionaires group. The success of the share sale will help cut the group's debt and will also be seen as a mark of investor confidence. But the billionaire still faces one of his biggest business and reputational challenges as his battle with Hindenburg escalates. Allegations and counter-allegations are being thrown back and forth almost daily. Hindenburg claims that the billionaire has overseen the largest con in corporate history, while Adani calls the U.S. research firm as the Madoff of Manhattan. The reference is to Bernie Madoff, whose fraud schemes robbed investors of $65 billion US. But Hindenburg's founder, Nathan Anderson, had worked with the analysts who uncovered Madoff's fraud. So media reports suggest that Anderson can be hardly bracketed in the Madoff camp. For now, though, the Adani short is still mostly an equity short. However, sleepovers into the credit market can happen quickly. As we have seen in China, media reports question how much of an impact a small U.S.-based research firm can have on an Asian business empire. Media reports draw comparisons with concerns about China's Evergrande Group, which survived years of short sellers' attacks. The real estate giant failed only when Chinese regulators investigated the firm. Similarly, the questions now remain on Indian regulators' next move. India's capital market regulator, the Securities and Exchange Board of India, or the SEBI, has investigated some of Adani's issues over the past year, following local media reports. According to Reuters, the SEBI will continue the scrutiny and use any fresh information from the Hindenburg report. Also, market concerns over Adani Group's ability to refinance its debt are growing. The Indian empire is in a dangerous situation, as international investors' minds are still fresh on Evergrande's crash, and the Adani Group has over $10 billion bond outstanding. To add to the challenges, the group already faces global index publisher FTSE Russell said they were keeping an eye on the report by short seller Hindenburg Research on the Adani Group. That came after the heels of a separate report last week, which showed global equity indices provider MSCI was also looking into the market reaction to the Adani Group stocks and their eligibility in global indices.